Hi. Have you ever started reading one book and moved on to another book and another book just to understand a single concept? Most complex ideas are connected to multiple topics, but often we realize those connections after reading everything. The learning becomes slow, right? Is there any system that connects the dots instantly, like neurons in our brain? We asked ourselves a simple question. What if learning do not happen at the isolated pages or chapters? What if knowledge become a connected graph, like just like a neurons connect the ideas inside our brain? This question lead us to develop a NeuroGraph AI system that maps the knowledge into a live network concepts. Let's see that in action.
Back to Transformer, a core concept linked to attention mechanism and parallelization. Sequence transduction models are connected to transformer, recurrent neural networks, and convolutional neural networks. You've selected convolutional neural networks, which connects to transformer, sequence transduction models, and path length. Path length is connected to self-attention, recurrent neural networks, and convolutional neural networks. Parallelization is connected to transformer and recurrent neural networks.
Can you explain how parallelization related to recurrent neural networks?
Recurrent neural networks are inherently sequential, which limits parallelization during training, unlike the transformer architecture.
I hope you like the previous one. To make learning even simpler, the NeuroGraph can generate a mind map for your topics. For example, if you do not understand how transformers evaluated from the recurrent neural network, you can just ask our AI tutor to generate a mind map. The system not only generates a mind map and also it explains it. Let's see that once. Can you explain how transformers are evolved from the recurrent neural network with a mind map? And can you explain that in depth?
Let me create a new mind map for that. Primarily, lack of parallelization and difficulty capturing long-range dependencies. Their sequential nature meant slow training. The transformer architecture completely bypassed these issues by introducing key innovations.
This live mind map creation seems cool. What if learner want to understand this concept even deeper? For that, we have a video generation as well. We use Gemini to generate in a Manim script. The tool is widely used for generating an animation mathematical videos. As soon as it was rendered, we present it to the user with the audio and video explanation. Let us have a look once.
Can you explain the neural networks with a video explanation?
Sure, generating a video on neural networks for you. The video is now rendering. Please stand by. Neural networks are a fascinating field in artificial intelligence, inspired by the structure of the human brain. They're essentially complex systems designed to recognize patterns and make decisions. Image recognition as a practical example. A neural network receives an image as input, processes the features through the hidden layers, and makes a prediction about the content, like identifying a cat or a dog.
I hope you like all three features. It's time for a change, where this application optimizes for mobile and VR experiences as well, where user can point out the camera to any notebook and he can ask some questions. The Gemini will process your request in a real time and it can also generate the visuals as well. Let's see that once. Can you explain this?
Those concepts to our graph. The mind map visualizes the multi-head attention architecture as depicted in the diagram. At the core, inputs Q, K, and key and value V are transformed by linear layers.
Thank you for watching the link.